This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. The Ideal Bartender by Tom Bullock, Section 6. A Deronda cocktail. Fill a large bar glass with shaved ice. Add 1½ jiggers of calisaya, 1½ jiggers of Plymouth gin. Shake, strain into a cocktail glass and serve. Diarrhea draught. Into a whiskey glass pour a ½ jigger of blackberry brandy, 1/2 pony of peach brandy, 2 dashes of Jamaica ginger, grate nutmeg on top, and serve. A Dixie cocktail. Add to a plain whiskey cocktail 1 dash curacao, 6 drops of creme de menthe. A dream. Fill a large bar glass 2/3 full with shaved ice. Add 1 teaspoonful of bar sugar, 3 dashes of lemon juice, 1 white of an egg, 1 wine glass of milk and cream, 1 jigger of Tom gin. Shake thoroughly, strain into a tall, thin glass, cover the top lightly with creme de menthe, and serve. A delusion. Using a large mixing glass, fill it with shaved ice. Fill the glass half full with lime juice. In the remainder, make it 2/3 white creme de menthe and 1/3 apricot brandy. Shake well, strain into a thin stem glass, and serve. Doré punch. Fill a large bar glass 2/3 full with shaved ice. Add 2 teaspoonfuls of lemon juice, 4 dashes of pineapple syrup, 4 dashes of gum syrup, a 1/4 jigger of Jamaica rum, a 1/4 jigger of green chartreuse, 1/2 jigger of Tokay wine, a 1/2 jigger of brandy, and 1 white of an egg. Shake hard, strain into a thin bar glass, dress with fruit, dash with seltzer, grate nutmeg on top, and serve. Doré sour. Fill a large bar glass 2/3 full with shaved ice. Add 3 dashes of gum syrup, 4 dashes of lemon juice, 1 dash of lime juice, 1 teaspoonful of abricontine or green chartreuse, a 1/2 jigger of Tokay or sweet Catawba wine, 1/2 jigger of brandy. Stir well and strain into a fancy sour glass. Dress with fruits, dash with Apollinaris or seltzer, top off with a little claret, and serve. Duplex cocktail. Fill a large bar glass with shaved ice. Add 1/3 jigger of Old Tom gin, 1 pony of Italian vermouth, 1 pony of French vermouth, 3 dashes of acid phosphate, 4 dashes of orange bitters. Shake, strain into a cocktail glass, and serve. Durkee cocktail. Fill a large bar glass 2/3 full with shaved ice. Add 1 tablespoonful of bar sugar, 4 dashes of lemon juice, 3 dashes of curacao, 1 jigger of Jamaica rum. Shake well, strain into a tall, thin glass, fill up with plain soda, stir gently, and serve. Eagle punch. Into a hot water glass drop 1 lump of cut loaf sugar and dissolve it in a little hot water, crashing with a muddler. Add 1/2 jigger of bourbon whiskey, 1/2 jigger of rye whiskey. Fill up with boiling water, twist a piece of lemon peel, grate nutmeg on top, and serve. East India cocktail. Fill a large bar glass 3/4 full of shaved ice. Add 3 dashes of maraschino, 3 dashes of red curacao, 3 dashes of Angostura bitters, 1 jigger of brandy. Stir well, strain into a cocktail glass, and serve with a piece of twisted lemon peel on top. Egg milk punch. Fill a large bar glass 1/2 full with shaved ice. Add 2 teaspoonfuls of bar sugar, 1 egg, 1 pony of Santa Cruz rum, 1 jigger of brandy. Fill up with milk. Shake thoroughly until the mixture creams, strain into a tall, thin glass, grate nutmeg on top, and serve. Eggnog. Fill a large bar glass 1/2 full with shaved ice. Add 1 egg, 1 teaspoonful of bar sugar, 3/4 jigger of brandy, 1/2 jigger of Jamaica rum. Fill up with milk, shake thoroughly, strain into a tall, thin glass, and serve with a little nutmeg grated on top. Eggnog, bowl of 3 gallons. Beat the yolks of 20 eggs until thin and stir in 2½ pounds of bar sugar until the sugar is thoroughly dissolved. Into this mixture pour 1½ pints of Jamaica rum, 2 quarts of old brandy. Mix the ingredients well by stirring. Then pour in the milk slowly, stirring all the while to prevent curdling. Pour carefully over the top of the mixture the whites of the eggs, which have been beaten to a stiff froth. Fill punch glasses from the bowl with a ladle and sprinkle a little nutmeg over each glassful. Egg sour. Into a small bar glass drop 3 lumps of ice, 1 tablespoonful of bar sugar, 1 egg, the juice of 1 lemon. Shake well, grate nutmeg on top, and serve with a straw. El Dorado Punch. Fill a large bar glass nearly full with shaved ice. Add 1 tablespoonful of bar sugar, a 1/4 jigger of whiskey, a 1/4 jigger of Jamaica rum, a 1/2 jigger of brandy, and 1 slice of lemon. Shake, dress with fruit, and serve with straws. English Bishop Punch. Roast an orange before a fire or in a hot oven. When brown, cut it in quarters and drop the pieces with a few cloves into a small porcelain-lined or agate vessel and pour in 1 quart of hot port wine. Add 6 lumps of cut loaf sugar and let the mixture simmer over the fire for 30 minutes. Serve in stem glasses with nutmeg grated on top. And that's the end of Section 6.